Hello people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Is your girl Mama. What's up? If you want to know how I achieved this delicious fish roll, stay tuned to the end of this video, and please don't forget to give this video a like. You can as well share my video. Is a way of helping your girl. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always watching my video. And if you are new to my channel, you are highly welcome. My channel is all about talk video, cooking, lifestyle, hairstyle, and more. So if you are a lover of all these things I just mentioned, please kindly join the family by clicking that red sign that says subscribe. Turn on the notification bell, and please, you can as well share my video. If you have any questions, drop it at the comment section down below. And let's continue watching and see how we achieve this delicious, sweet, yummy fish roll, guys. Yeah. Okay, guys, let's go straight to my kitchen now. For what I'm going to do now, I will boil my fish. So I will add my onions. After adding the onions, I will add my Maggi seasoning. Then I will add my water. I will add water inside the fish. Then I'm going to cover it to cook. So now I will cover it to cook. So now I will get a clean bowl and add my flour, 2 cups of flour. So I will add my 2 tablespoons of sugar, half spoons of salt. So now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Then I'm going to mix together. After mixing, I will add 1 egg. I will be the description of the recipe in my description box. So I will add 1 egg. Yeah, my baby is here, so she's just distracting me with a lot of differences. I'm going to put all the ingredients, the recipe, in the description box. So I will add my 1 egg and stir together. So after that, I will add 50 grams of butter or margarine. You can use any one of your choice. Then mix together again. At this moment, guys, I'm going to be using my hand, but before then you must make sure you wash your hand. Yeah, you wash it and make sure your hands are clean. So after mixing the butter inside, I will add water. We will mix it very well. So right now I'm going to add water and mix. Yeah. Going to mix it well. So right now I think I will still add more water. Guys, I ended up adding half cup of water. Then you have to mix together. Make sure you mix everything very well. Yeah, you have to. So guys, you can see how it's looking. Yeah, so I'm going to cover this dough now. I'm going to cover it and leave it to rest for 10 minutes. Then after that, we'll bake. So right now we are going to check our boiling fish. Now I think it's ready. So what we are going to do is we are going to remove the bone inside the boiling fish and break it into pieces. Yes, I'm going to remove all the bones. Yeah, so I'm going to break it into pieces. Yeah, So I'll make sure there is no bone inside the fish. Yeah. Then after breaking it into pieces, we are going to fry the fish right now. So right now we are going to fry the fish. I've putting pan on the fire, so I will add cooking vegetable oil. Yeah, just small amount of cooking vegetable oil. You can call it cooking oil, you can call it vegetable oil. So I will chop onions. I'm going to add the onions inside. Then I'm going to stir. After stirring, I will add pepper. I want it sharp, so depending on you, I like my own sharp. You can add fresh pepper, but I'm adding red chili pepper. Yeah. Then stir. I will add small thyme inside. Yeah. Then stir again. Right now we are going to add the fish inside and fry. So right now I will add my garlic and ginger powder. I will add my garlic and ginger powder at the same time. Just add any seasoning of your choice you want to add, then stir together. So now I will add small Maggi seasoning, then stir together. You have to be careful with your seasoning if you don't want it to be too salt. So just add small amount of seasoning inside. Yeah guys. So guys, now I think I'm gonna step this aside now. Yeah, we're gonna step it aside and start with the dough. So guys, right now you will get a clean board. I have my clean board here. Then I will sprinkle, sorry about the noise guys, my baby. I'll sprinkle just small amount of flour on top of the board. Yeah. Then after then, I add the dough. So you can see how smooth the dough is. Yeah. So right now I'm going to cut the size I want and roll it out. You must roll it flat guys, the way I'm doing it now. So now I'm gonna add the fish. Yeah. I'm going to fold the mouth so that it doesn't open when you are frying it. guys, you have to make sure you roll it well. Yeah, you can see how I'm rolling it. Guys, that is how you are going to roll all of them.
All of them?
Sorry guys, don't mind my baby, don't mind the noise. They are just here, they cannot wait for the fish roll. So that is it, guys. So now guys, my oil is on the fire. I'm going to fry it with a low heat. Yeah, I'm going to fry it with a low heat. After the oil must have heated. Beautiful people, here is the finishing part of our fish roll. You can see how yummy and delicious it's looking, very tasty. My children cannot even let me finish, they are just eating it, guys. Anyway, this is all I have for you for this video. If you have any question, please drop it at the comment section down below. See you in my next video. As of now, I am out. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. You can as well share to your friends. Yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.